Welcome you guys, welcome to the channel. I have a project today. It is about sticker art on laptops. I have an example for you, something that I did on my personal laptop. Looks like this and I love it a lot. I think it turned out really nice. What I'm going to do today is to work on this laptop. This is a laptop I bought for my daughter. It's a very cheap laptop. So she's very young. She's just playing a couple of PBS Kids games. So I did not invest in a very expensive laptop. That does not really matter to the whole story here. I thought we're going to do this together. So I show you how I move forward with all those stickers. So I have a whole bunch of stickers here. I already picked a centerpiece. It's going to be this one. This is a Buc-ee sticker. Actually, it's from a gas station. So people who live in Texas or in the South, I believe, know this brand, and my daughter loves it. She loves to go there every single time. So this is going to be the centerpiece. Other than that, I bought a couple of packages from Temu. So these were between $1 and $2. I picked a couple of different themes in stickers. So I bought, I think, 6 packages. One is science. The next one is more for the background. It's watercolor flowers, and I will use it to fill the gaps. Then I have 2 packages with outdoor pictures and states. And the last one are superheroes and gaming stickers. I think it turned out really, really great. It's exactly like I wanted it to look, like playful and just appropriate for kids. I really love it. What was super important to me and what worked out in the end was to hide some kind of key messages. Like, for example, in this upper corner here, life is a journey. This is just, I don't know, it's something that all kids should know. Life is a journey. Things change, new things are coming in. You have to say goodbye to certain things. So life is a journey. This is something that I wanted to include here. I have this little science corner down here, which I really love. Just because I think it's important to remind kids that, you know, school is important, learning is important. Focus on school, keep going. And so I wanted to have that in here. And yeah, I have the little chemical scientist in here. So I don't know if she will be a chemist or whatever. And little Albert Einstein too. So I thought that's really cute. The other thing that you haven't seen yet, because I remembered when I was done that I wanted to include this, are the whales. So you can see one big whale over here and 2 whales over here. Do we have a 4th one? No, 3 whales. Because she is in the whale class in school. So that was really important for me to include these 2 whales, or these 3 whales. The corner down here is like the outdoor corner. You have Captain America, you have some family camp, go outside stickers. Of course, we have the big centerpiece that you recognize the moment she opened it, and she loved it so much. She's like, oh, my Buc-ee's laptop. So this is now our Buc-ee's laptop, I guess. And up here, I just kept the flowers because those watercolor flowers, I think they're really beautiful. And just to pack them in the background was a little sad somehow. So I wanted to have one portion where the watercolor flowers are basically just by themselves. So yeah, I really like how it turned out. I'm also happy with the fact that it's not a 100% coverage. Like, you can see the laptop through, like not like the one that I showed you at the beginning. My personal laptop is like 100% covered and it looks cool too. I like it. But this is kind of a different version. So I'm really happy with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want, I'll see you next time.